Sometimes when you install apps on your Mac, they might make themselves the default app without asking you, like the GoPro player here. I don't want to use this for all my videos, so let's change it. Find any video file and hit Command+I, or you can right-click and choose Get Info. Here we can choose the app that's being used to open this file. Choose from the list, or if your preferred app is not listed, go to your Applications folder and find it there. Some apps are always grayed out, usually because they don't support this file type. But if your preferred app is not available and you know it supports this file type, you can change the setting on the bottom to All Apps, which enables you to pick any app from your computer. I want to use QuickTime for all my videos, and here's the important part. To change this for all videos, not just this particular file, we're going to click Change All. Now, all my video files will be opened with QuickTime Player moving forward. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.